In part 1 video, we did electric field intensity of a uniformly positive charged ring. Now, continuation part 6, in which maximum electric field intensity of a uniformly positive charged ring. What we have to find? Maximum electric field intensity of the ring. Electric field intensity of the ring is this. Okay, for this we have to do the differentiation with respect to x. See, for that here dx dE divided by dx, which is equal to 0 for maximum electric field intensity. Okay, see now E bar value is replacing from this equation. Okay, and continuation equation is, this is dE bar divided by dt, which is equal to, this is I'm writing as k. Okay, so k q, so v by u method, that is r square plus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2 dx by dx is get cancel, minus x into 3 divided by 2 r square plus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2 minus 1 into differentiation with respect to x of x square, r is constant 0, so this is 2x. This we got, divided by r square plus x square. Okay, so kq by r square plus x square whole to the power of 3. Okay, so because of 3 by 2 whole square root of get cancel. Anyhow, this kq divided by r square plus x square whole to the power of 3 is from RHS side to LHS side, but this value must be 0. See, so 0 into anything is 0, so the remaining values are r square plus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2 minus this 2 is get cancel, 3x square, x into x square, that is r square plus x square whole to the power of 1 by 2, which is equal to 0, Try to understand, in this equation I am taking common r square plus x square whole to the power of 1 by 2. Then the resultant equation is here r square plus x square whole to the power of 1 by 2 is common. Then here r square plus x square is remaining, and here minus 3x square is remaining. So this is also 0 by anything is 0. So here r square minus 2x square is equal 0, and 2x square is equal to r square, and x, which is equal to r divided by root 2 plus r minus. Okay, then we got the x value how to replace in this equation. We will get the maximum electric field intensity of the ring. We got this, so we can draw the graph like this. This is the electric field on the y-axis. Graph is like this. So this is the negative x-axis, this is the positive x-axis, that's why this value is here. Okay, x is equal to minus r divided by root 2, and this is, the value is r divided by root 2, Okay, I will continue. So we have to replace this x is equal to r by root 2 in this equation. We will get the resultant equation. Just a second. So we got x is equal to plus or minus R divided by root 2. We wanted to find the maximum electric field intensity. That's why replacing in this equation where x is equal to, what is the value? R divided by root 2 plus value I am considering. See, the resultant equation E maximum of the ring which is equal to, so this is okay, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into x value is r by root 2 divided by r square plus r square by 2, okay, whole to the power of 3 by 2. Okay, so E maximum which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into r by root 2 divided by, this is 3 r square by 2 whole to the power of 3 by 2. Try to understand the derivation. Okay, and E maximum value which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into r by root 2, okay, whole divided by this value is 3 root 3, that is 3 to the power of 3 by 2, okay, and this is r square, square root of, and r square is get cancelled, that is r cube, okay, and denominator value is, here I am writing, this is also 2 root 2, this root 2 get cancel r, and this is r square, okay. So the resultant equation is E maximum which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is 2 divided by 3 root 3, okay, q divided by this value is r square, and here this value is 2 divided by 3 root 3. Try to understand, here I am applying the a by b whole divided by c by d, that is a by b into d by c. Okay, these are the very important concept for the ring electric field intensity. So this is taken as equation number 1. Thank you.